Hey guys, welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we're doing a case or a box opening of this Fast and the Furious set, which obviously has the Skyline GTR, and we got this other one with the Mark IV Toyota Supra, and both of these are absolutely amazing sets. However, I do want to race these, so in order to race them on the 6-lane Raceway, I need to open them up. So we're going to go ahead and open these up, and we're going to run each car on the track, take the winner, run these cars, take that winner, and run those two head-to-head and see which one's the fastest. And then regardless of what the result is, I want to run the Supra against the Skyline. So I'm really curious to see which one of those two is fastest, and also just have them run side by side. But I'm going to go ahead and set this one aside, and we're going to go ahead and open up the one with the Supra. Alright, so before I get started in this, I do want to point out that these cars are the 70 Dodge Charger RT, Toyota Supra, 67 Custom Mustang, 70 Chevelle SS, and the Aston Martin 1963 DBS. Alright, so let's go ahead and start at the top. That looks incredible with the Charger, got the big engine sticking out the hood there, which looks incredible. Also, very iconic. This is the car that you did see Dom drive in the movie. So not only do you get one iconic car from the movie, but you get the Toyota Supra, so you get two of them there, which is absolutely amazing. So can't wait to run those head-to-head. Let's see, we're just going to put them head-to-head. And then we have this beautiful Mustang. It's like a green metallic. You got the race stripes all the way down. I don't know if you can kind of see that sparkly flake there, but that looks really good as well. Just go ahead and move all of these to this side. And then we have that Chevelle, which looks really good, finished in like that matte gray. And also this casting is super heavy. The back tires are also really wide, so that'll be kind of interesting to see how that does on the track. And then we have the Aston Martin, which looks really cool. It's like that old school Aston Martin. Man, that looks really cool. So we got all 5 of those opened up, ready to go. And we're going to run them against these cars, which also this 5-pack does have like some damage on it. So don't freak out. I have like a few of these, so I'm opening up just the damaged one. And something I just noticed right off the bat. Yeah, so they both come with the exact same 1967 Custom Mustang. Yeah, the top car here is actually the same in both. So that's kind of interesting. So let's go ahead and open up this one. Yeah, so I have that Mustang sitting right here. And yeah, let's see here. It is literally the exact same Mustang. Honestly, I did not even notice that. Okay, so the wheels are different. If you look at that, you can see the wheels are different, but other than that, it is literally the same car. So that's really interesting. The bottom is even exactly the same. Yeah, everything about it is the same other than the wheels. So that's interesting. So we'll actually, I'm curious to see if the wheels make that big of a difference. Same car, same color, same stripes, everything. So that's really interesting. And then now we have the, so now we have that Monte Carlo, which is kind of made to look like, just kind of like it has different parts on it, different kind of color scheme. That's kind of cool. It's got some like character to it. Next we have the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This is actually from the 996 body style. So it is kind of cool to be able to add this new Porsche to my Porsche lineup. And this is actually a really cool car, and I actually really love this when it did come out in the movies. And then obviously the R34 Nissan Skyline GTR. This thing is like most people's favorite car, either this or the Supra. It's actually really detailed. I love like the design down the side. And I believe the original one actually had the blue stripes on the hood. It does have like the colored taillights and the GTR there on the back. So that's really cool. Let's just kind of move some of these around so we can put the Supra and Skyline head to head there. And the final car, we have the 69 Camaro. And this one actually looks really nice. I do like that shade of blue, especially with the white stripes. Looks so good. It has like a little Chevy logo there in the back corner. It has like a little Camaro SS on the side. But wow, that's a beautiful car. Also giant tires in the back. So we'll see how that does on the track. But we're going to go ahead and take these 5 cars. We're going to run them on the track. And then we're going to take that winner set aside. These 5 cars, run them winner aside, and then do the head-to-head. See which one of these 5 packs actually has the fastest car. And then we're going to race the Skyline and Supra head-to-head. And we might as well just throw in Dom's Charger just for the heck of it. So let's go ahead, throw these on the track, and race them. All right, so we got the cars lined up right here, ready to go, and they look absolutely incredible. But we'll see which one of these is the fastest in 3, 2, 1.
Winner, lane 6.
All right, so the Toyota Supra is the fastest. Honestly, it looked like the Charger was starting to pull ahead, but it looks like the last second, the Supra came in for the win. So that was an absolutely amazing race. So we're just going to go ahead and set that right there and move the rest of these cars off the track. All right, so I have the next set of cars lined up, ready to go, and this combo looks really amazing, especially with that Nissan GTR and the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. But which one of these cars is fastest, and which one is going to take on the Toyota Supra? We're going to find out in 3, 2, 1. Wow, so the Camaro actually the Mustang took the win on that one. So that's really interesting. So I'm wondering if it is the difference in wheels, but that is going to be pretty cool. We're going to take that. We're going to run it head to head with the Supra to find out which one is fastest. So when I was putting them up here, I noticed that the Mustang actually kind of has some like heavier weight to it. And compared to the other one, I believe this one actually weighs a little bit more. But we're going to see which one of these 5 packs has the fastest cars. We got the Supra against the Mustang. But let's find out in 3, 2, 1.
Winner, lane 5.
And the Toyota Supra is the fastest car. Heck yeah, that is absolutely amazing. I mean, nothing against the Mustang, but I'm just really glad that the Supra won because it is such an iconic car. But we're going to go ahead and take the Supra. We're going to put it right back at the top of the track right here. And then we're going to go back down, and I wanted to run it against the Nissan Skyline GTR. But also I do want to run it against Dom's Charger. So I'm going to go ahead and throw the Charger up there as well. And then the Skyline. I would put the Charger in this lane, but it actually hits the little lever because it's too wide in the back. But this is also an iconic race because at the end of the first movie, this is what they raced, where they had like the whole train thing when it was about to cross. So this is kind of cool to be able to run these two, but also against that Skyline. But which one of these cars, put in the comments down below which one you think is the fastest. But we're going to go ahead and find out right now. So let's go ahead and race them in 3, 2, 1. All right, so that was super interesting. I don't know if there was a false start because the Supra started off really far behind, but the Skyline actually won. So I'm kind of confused because that beat the Skyline, but that beat the Supra, but the Supra beat this. So it's like a weird little triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and take all 3 of these. I'm going to put them on the other side of the track. And we're going to see if that makes a difference. And let's go ahead and run that one more time just to be sure. In 3, 2, 1.
Winner, lane 3.
All right, so there it is. The R34 Nissan Skyline GTR took the win against the Supra. So that's pretty interesting that the Supra did not beat the Skyline GTR. Ran it twice, got the same results twice. Also, Dom's Charger did pretty well, but most people would say that JDM cars are faster than American Muscle. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought was going to be the results. And also, are you guys happy with these results? All right, guys, what do you think of those results? Like, that was absolutely amazing. And then obviously my favorite race was running the Skyline versus the Supra, and then also throwing the Charger in there. But These cars are absolutely amazing. I can't wait to do some races in the future to include some of these as well. But also, I do case unboxing videos, as you can see right here, with the Amazon Black Box. I also have some really cool displays like this one for carded Hot Wheels, or that big giant display I have. Actually, I have two of them with like all the little cubbies for all the Hot Wheels. There's going to be links in the description down below so you guys can go pick up all that stuff. It is on Amazon. It's a really good deal, really great quality. So definitely go pick up some for yourself. But if you guys like the results of this, definitely let me know down in the comments. But if you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.